Hello kids, welcome to our English class. In today's class, we will look at different pictures and we will read their words related to it. Look and read. The first picture is of a cup. C-U-P says cup. The next picture is of a young one of a tiger, which is said to be cub. K-U-B, cub. Let's look at sun. Sun. The next picture is of hut. Hut. Bun. Bun. And here comes the next picture. I told you hug means to come close with each other. It is hug. H-U-G, hug, hug. Let's read the word tub. Tub. Mug. M-U-G says mug, mug. Bug, bug. Bug. Bus. Bus. Nut. Nut. Run. 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 Look at this jug. Jug. The next word is pup. 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 And the last word is none. None. So children, we all have read so many words with these pictures. Now it's time for me to say bye-bye.